Vijay from Mass Communication. We are again with another video. In this video I'm going to compare iPhone 13 base version display with iPhone 14 Plus version display. We're not gonna do any technical review, anything as that. We'll do real life situation. We'll open some video in normal, then 4K, then 8K to see how they look side by side. Put the phone together. Here we go. Now I put here Sky News. So I'm gonna hit them together. So you can see them side by side how they look. iPhone 14 Plus in my view looks better, more light I can see. Now we'll check some 4K content in this case, how they look in 4K. In this case, to be honest, iPhone 14 Plus looks better because of the big screen as well, and color are more vibrant. Now I put more light in this case. I put medium brightness in iPhone 13. And here I put medium brightness as well. So to be honest, iPhone 14 Plus looks better. Now I search some 8K video to show you guys. So both the phone now they are in 8K, look beautiful both of them, but iPhone 14 Plus has better view in this case. Let me put more light, maximum brightness of iPhone 13 and maximum brightness of iPhone 14. So in display section I can say easily iPhone 14 Plus has better display, better color and all that. In velocity iPhone 13 is faster in some cases than iPhone 14 Plus or 14. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.